and new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be
so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is obviously a headband wig. It is 24 inches and it is 150% density. And it is a body wave texture. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go and click the direct link to this unit so you guys, I can give you guys the information that they have on the site. So what they have on the site is Nadula Highlight Brown Body Wave Headband Wig, FB30, Color Glueless Wig, 150% density human hair. They have on here size selection, so you can get this wig in 14 to 24 inches. And as I stated, I do have this wig in 24 inches. And I'm trying to see if they have like a place that has more information. Oh, here it is. So they have that this unit comes in an average cap size. I always tell you guys that I feel like the headband wigs are basically one size fits all, because they do have that like the headband Velcro type thing. So I feel like these type of units are one size fits all. It says capless cap is 150% density, 100% virgin hair, tangle free, no shedding, soft and bouncy. Now, honey, I do want to go ahead and say that with this wig, I did not experience any shedding, any tangling, none of the things, honey. Okay, like she woke up like this. Okay, easy breezy, beautiful. And this wig did come as an FB30, like it came pre-colored, as you guys can see. And it did come as a body wave texture, although I did curl it some. You guys know, if you watch me, I always curve. Child, can you talk? I always curl my body wave units. I don't care if it's a headband wig. I don't care if it's a regular, smegular body wave. I always curl my body wave wigs. It's just like something that I tend to do with all of these types of units. Yeah, as I mentioned, it didn't shed, it didn't tangle straight out of the packaging. That's not to say that at some point it won't. I'm just saying straight out of the packaging, she just does not do any of the things. So shout out to you, Nadula. And yeah, that is basically it as far as the construction and all of that good stuff about this wig. Now, if you're interested in what I think about old girl, then please continue to watch. Okay, so honestly, I love this wig. You guys know I am a fan of headband wigs. They're just really easy to throw on and go and walk out the house, honey. And your girl is always looking for something like that. Now, I feel like I've done this color in every type of wig you can think of, okay? So this is the headband one, but I've also done it in a lace parting, and I also have done it in a frontal. And it's just giving you guys options, because I feel like all of us are at least one of those types of girls. Some of us are frontal girls, some of us are lace part girls, some of us are closure girls, and some of us are headband wig girls. And honey, I feel like I have given you this wig in this color in all of those types, okay? Your girl is all of those girls. Just depends on what day you find me, honey, okay? Just depends on what day you find me. So I really love this wig. I think it is really cute. They sent me some really cute headbands, and I wanted to wear this little cute unit. We are going on vacation soon. Not cute unit, cute outfit. We're going on vacation soon, so I bought a lot of vacationally types of outfits, and I wanted to just go ahead and throw this on for this video. And I just feel like it's just giving me all of the summery vibes that I need, honey. Okay, y'all the girls are peeping at you like, honey, it's nothing I can do with them. Like, they just do their own thing, they live their own life, honey. It's nothing I can do about them. But you get what I'm saying, okay? But yeah, I love the unit. I think it is gorgeous. Let me know down below what you guys think of it. Are you still into headband wigs? Since the lace shortage is over, I know some people are like, girl, I don't want no headband wig. I was headbanded out in 2020. Okay, this year I don't want no headband wigs, but I personally do still really like the headband wig. So let me know what you think. Are you feeling it? Let me know what type of girl you are. Are you a headband wig girl? Are you a lace parting girl? Are you a frontal girl? Are you a closure girl? Let me know down below in the comments, or let me know if you're like me and you walk them all, honey, okay? Let me know down below in the comments. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 as well as a lint check, and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Oh, lint check. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", so I'm not the tallest person in the world. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let your girl know down below in the comments. I would love to know. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Nadula, for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. If you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I am Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be.